Assalamualaikum everyone. The vision of Astalife Insurance Company Limited to Bangladesh to become a role model in insurance sector of Bangladesh as a new trend set a smart life insurance company by providing world-class services with trust, honesty, transparency, and commitment. Mission to protect to overall interest of our stakeholder, to bring people under the insurance safety matrix, to adapt a system that is fully digitalized and customer oriented, to develop innovative and diversified products at a reasonable price. I again say to develop innovative and diversified products at a reasonable price, to provide trustworthy, reliable, effective service to ensure customer needs. Our Astalife Insurance Company Limited core values: customer first, honesty and integrity, innovation and sustainability, excellence in operation and service, transparency, accountability, and commitment. So, let's check your policy. Let's welcome to take your policy in Astalife Insurance Company and keep a good journey in future for your personal financial freedom and for your family financial freedom. We always care you, and absolutely the peoples of Bangladesh in future, they will set their trust in future to Astalife. And overall, I requested to all people of Bangladesh and worldwide who has beside another country or foreign country, and foreigner can take policy from Astalife. Overall, I want to say, please take policy from Astalife and make your next generation happy and fulfill your dreams, and we wish we will stay with you for fulfill your dream. Thank you all and stay close with Astalife. Thank you.